guys, good morning. I hope you had a nice sleep. How you doing, guys? So, today is Monday, and not only that, if we look at the monthly candle, we're printing it now. So, we're just printing new monthly candle today, 2nd of June, Monday. So, it's a start of the week, it's a start of a new month. Today, we're gonna be really careful. Statistically, Monday are the days people are losing most money on the market. I just noticed the monthly candle of May. So in these conditions, it's very hard to make money, guys. Look at this candle. All the way down, all the way up, and finish nowhere where it started. So there was no trend during the whole month. And you see how the next month starts with big push up, right? So I already put the weekly highs and weekly lows. Yeah, we're gonna put the Friday high and Friday low. And the first thing we notice is that we took the Friday highs and we're still going up. So this is a good indicator that today we're gonna be trending up. Good morning. Now here we have our view up, which is going out of the map. Um, what else we got? We're gonna have the Asian lows right here. And I'm not gonna put the Asian highs. Oh no, I'm gonna put them actually on this candle here. So yeah, we are trading above the VWAP. This can signal two things. One, we may trend like this all the way up to previous week highs, which is not too far away, to be honest. Or we can have a reversal from this area. So we need to be very careful. This signals very strong uptrend or big reversal. We need to be smart. Right, so we have our key areas. If we zoom out, we can see we have previous week low, previous week high. This is the big frame. Previous day low, previous day high, it's already taken. So previous day low is the smaller target, and Asian low is even the smaller target. We grab liquidity, we grab a lot of liquidity from so many places. Right, I'm gonna just put some more liquidity areas right here. And yeah, it'll be interesting to watch. Now let's see Nasdaq. If we see the monthly candle, we have a historical great push. It's one of the biggest pushes Nasdaq have seen historically. More than 7.5%. It's almost 8% push. And when you see the previous month, how low we were, we came back. And this green candle, it's no brainer. So it wasn't something we didn't expect. It was uncertain because of the tariffs and everything, but it was something that I think everybody almost expected to happen after the big drop, isn't it? Right, let me remove these areas here. And let's put our weekly highs and weekly lows. Now, we are trending below the weekly high. We're trending inside the previous week candle. We're trending inside Friday's highs. by the lows, right? And of course, we're trending inside the Asian frame we have. And on VWAP, just let me put this liquidity here. And on VWAP, we can see we're in the opposite side of what gold is doing. We're in the downside. We're trending in the green area rather than gold is trading in the red, even above the red. So we are having, for Monday, for now, we're having downtrend, really strong downtrend. And now we have change of character right here. So if we follow the price action, we have change of character, break of structure. So this is our boss here. While with gold, we don't have anything like it. We have just strong bullish structure. That's everything we have. And all I can see is this fair value gap here. I'm gonna put 5 minutes. What else? We have this fair value gap. Again, 5 minutes. And basically that's it. And we just took the highs, the Asian highs, we just took them. And we open the market now, the London session. So we're gonna see the first candles, how our orb looks like. Again, we're not gonna be in a rush for trades today. Right? Now there could be a unicorn here. I don't think so. The trend is so strong. But we're looking at this. See, 1 minute. Good morning, Wolf. Good morning. First day of the new month, first day of the new week. Do you scalp? Well, what can I like scalping. I think I started with scalping. Your volume is very low, brother. Oh, thank you for noticing that. Let me check. Maybe now will be better. It should be better now. I'm pretty sure. I'll put it on a halfway. And this Blue Yeti microphone is very sensitive. Yes, better. Oh, thank you, Wolf. Thank you. So what I was saying, I like scalping, but I think I practice intraday trading for so long that I don't have the edge anymore. I don't think I ever had the edge. I just like scalping, but you have totally different. You need to have totally different mentality. Um, because if you can't control yourself, you can blow your account very fast. Easy come, easy goes with scalping. So guys, here we have something interesting. We have break of structure right here. We change it. We're collecting liquidity now, so we need to be careful. But this one doesn't look bad at all. The only thing against us is the red candle, daily candle. Um, we break. You see how many times we've tried to break this line here, here, and even here. So we managed to break it, and now we managed to use it as a support here. It's been a resistance for so long. Now it's our support here. Now the opening range is a bit huge, right? But this setup looks interesting. Okay, next candle. We'll define the range. Okay, this I don't think we're gonna see break of structure here, so I'm gonna delete this. And we're gonna just oop. This is so small. Right, so this is our range here for gold. He's trying to break above. I'm not interested in buys, to be honest. We're way too much into the red area and above the red area. We have beautiful daily candle. Oh, but yeah, maybe on some pullback. Well, here, 16 seconds. Look what beautiful 5-minute candle we did. And I think we're gonna close above. Hmm. Yeah, on gold we have a candle closure. So I just wanna mark this area. It's break even already, by the way. Is it really? Yeah, 0.55. This is risk-free trade. Yeah, gold wake up very strong today. I'm waiting for the unicorn, to be honest. Collected more liquidity. It's from way here. If we take the previous week high, this is low actually. If you get to the previous week low, let me see the candles. Why it says previous week low? It's previous week high. So gold, it came to break even for the statistic, guys. And we're gonna switch to the 5-minute orb really soon. Do you know any scalping strategies? Yes, one of them is using actually this indicator, view up. So basically you follow the trend. You see how we're in the red zone here. So every time we have candle, let's say in this fair value gap here, so you get the longs, and then the next move I can see this fair value gap here, so you get the longs from here, and this fair value gap here, you get the longs from here, and so on. This is trend continuation, scalping. The other one is with the boiling bands. So when the price goes out, you take the one to the blue. When the price goes out, you take the trade to the blue. Price go out, you take it to the blue. Like here, price go out next to the blue. What else? Candle check. Candle check is, let's say you have this high and you wait for the candle, for next candle or candle after, to go down, touch the highs of this candle and go in the opposite direction. We don't have good example here, but I'm pretty sure Nasdaq we're gonna find one. Yeah, it's on 5-minute candles. So let's say we have this wick here, right? We have this high. So we're waiting for a candle to get to the high, touch it, and go back up. And the last one, that it came to my mind now, it's scalping by candle pattern. So you see this hammer, right? So you're gonna short here, and you're gonna ride the wave to the liquidity. You see this candle, you're gonna short all the way to this low. Here it's a buy, etc., etc. Here it's a sell, so you're gonna, oh no, it's a buy. Here it's a buy. I just know them. I can't say I use them, and definitely I don't have any data or back testing to back myself with any of them. I just know them, and if I start thinking about, I'm gonna came up with many more definitely. Even here where I put this blue thing, it's a very good place to buy because we have change of character with this candle close. It comes back, and this is a very good area for a buy. Just below, targeting maybe this liquidity 2R, and so on, so on. If you want, you can find many ways to enter the market. You can find too many ways to enter the market. Right, gold. It keeps going up, isn't it? Let's say now it's very dangerous to short gold, obviously, with this move. Guys, just a reminder again. Um, if you can just pop up with one like in the stream, that would be great. I know every time I ask, you do it for me. Right. So if we're looking for fast scalp, let's see the price action here. Have this fair value gap. We have the change of character, break of structure. Yay. Thank you guys. Immediate reaction. I know you forget. I forget as well. Thank you though. So what I was saying, yes, we have this fair value gap. Candle check you can do on 1 minute as well. Like you have this high. So you wait for the price to come down, touch the high, and you go long here. Right? Just on these highs. Just on these highs you go long. Your stop loss is under this candle, and TP whatever you want. So this is one fast scalp. We can try this with goat. Now we are very strong move. We have our orb here as well, don't we? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. This is our orb, and the good news is that we're still going up to the previous week high. Whoa, whoa. Big candle down. And this is our 1, 2, 3. This is our orb here. Okay, so we're getting into fair value gap. And we can try short if we check this candle here. Right? Where is the break of structure? And it would look something like this. 1 to 2. It will look something like this. Don't get shots into my head, really. Don't do it. Especially on Monday. But guys, there is something very important you need to understand when it's coming to shorts. Risk management should be on different level, really. Like if you're trading orb and you know you're risking 0.5 or 1%, when you're shorting, I suggest that you have to use 0.25 or maximum 0.5. If you lose, if you risk 1% of your account on each one of your shorts, you lose your account pretty quick. Yeah, you can make money pretty quick, but it's not sustainable, because you can, when you're shorting, you can get into a losing streak of 5, 6 in a row for the last 30 minutes. So if you don't have the mentality to get out from there with one trade, this can happen, to go out with one trade. Yeah, you lose your account. Whoa, Mr. Wolf, you need to be happy here, because this is your entry, isn't it? This is your entry. And you made almost 1 hour on this trade. I guess you entered on this one. You can't lie. Yes, sir. I would move to break even here. asleep, but now there is a big problem with this previous weekly high because there can be a reaction. Oh, there we go. We're talking about shorts. I will take this. I will take this candle, just like this. Fast 4R. Even now, it's a 1.76, so not bad. So if we talk about shorts, this is a perfect example. We just took the previous week high. This candle is telling us the market is uncertain. Boom. 2.5. I'll be trailing this trade like this here. I'll be like this. 2.5 locked and so on. But you need to look for it all the time. That's why I'm saying that I changed my mentality totally in totally different style. I don't look like this anymore for trades. More laid back. Like now, I would look for some unicorn probably. Either 5 or 1 minute. I would look for something like we have highs, we have lows, we have highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. I would look for something like this. Right? We have liquidity sweep. We have second manipulation of the liquidity sweep. Change of character. We're breaking the structure here with this low. Retesting and going all the way down. This is something I would look for. Yeah, we have candle closure on 5 minutes, but it's so high. It's exactly on the line of previous weekly high. I think it will still go up. You see how we're outside of the VWAP and we just can't go in. We can't go in under the red line. This is the furthest we can get for me to go and take a buys, like right here, somewhere in this zone. Okay. We're entering. This fair value gap. The candle is red here, but we're bullish because of this change of character here. This retest and this big green candle. To change our opinion, we need to go below these lows so we can change our bias. Okay, we keep falling. So this was the 5-minute break test I was talking about. Here, you enter at buy, right here. Stop loss is here. So it looked like this. This is called wick check. Let's see if it's gonna be a winner. With this force, we start getting down. It doesn't look like a winner. Goat. Well, what can I say? Very strong trend. Um, maybe if you think logically, orb and breakout strategies, they perform good on these conditions, don't they? They perform good on these kind of conditions. We took the previous week high, I think on 5 minute. This is the breakout, yeah. So if it didn't wick us out on break even, this is 3-hour trade, guys. Wow. So we have the same during the Frankfurt session. It's even better there, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You enter here, stop loss under the orb. Look what's going on. Look at this. 8.6. This is crazy. Without coming back. Only creating a bullish structure. Without breaking a sweat for a moment. Without thinking, oh, I might get out from here. No, you're just going up, mate. Why would you go out? You're just going up. 8.8. Mental. So yeah, the orb and breakout strategies, they're performing very well in this kind of conditions. And they're performing very bad in this kind of conditions. And it keeps going. Oh, the other okay, when you ask about a scalping strategies, another scalping strategy is key area support and resistance, right? So we break above, we came down, we break above, and on this candle you can use it previous weekly high either for support or resistance. So you can enter either longs here from and use it as a support, or use it as a resistance here, depends how you see it. Like you see this candle, the green candle, it was up, so it was going down. You're like, oh, okay, this is resistance. You would enter here, stop loss here. Basically, you'll be wicked out here. But just for the sake of the, you know, showing you. Whoa, Nasdaq is giving us selling signal here, right? Why I put previous day low here? This is Asian lows. Previous day low is down there. Look at those candles, guys. How we can enter on this? How we can enter on that? Where's gonna be a stop loss? Up here? I don't think so. We just took the Asian lows. Now, this is called a fallen knife. And you never catch a knife when it's falling, don't you? So never go against moves like this. Just don't do it. Let me give you an example. right? So you see how it's falling here. It's falling, it's falling. Wait until it creates an order block. You see, this is an order block right here. At least until it creates one order block. And this order block, it does the work actually. But never enter here, 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 or here. It's falling like crazy. Right, let's go back to today's candles, which are looking very, very, very ugly. Like, look at this move. It made the break of structure with this candle. It retests the area. It gave impulse, and it puts a lot of money into buy positions right here, guys. There's a lot of people into buy positions right here. And this just crush your dreams. Even if your stop loss is not here, it's not here. If you're like, okay, I'll put it on the Asian lows. How low it can go? We have break of character, we're trending clearly, we're going higher. What can happen? Well, this can happen. Huge candle. Now when we have this move, what we can do, we can use this area as a resistance now. So if you want to enter short, we can enter here. I may try one short like this. One more push. Okay, let's try one short. Stop loss on top of this candle. Just like this. With small risk. I don't think it's gonna work out. No, it went too high. The idea was to retest this area and go lower, plus the fair value gap. But this won't happen. This won't happen. Or I spoke too early. And of course we have this move. We see this as a retracement. And we catch the second wave of this move. Does it make sense? I don't think it goes in our favor. So you see what happens when you put in my mind scalps. See gold. There is a retracement. Now gold starts to get into a consideration, which it's this barcode model. It doesn't make big moves high, it doesn't make big moves low. Nothing interesting there. Come on, take us out. There we go. We're out of this one. So this didn't work at all. And probably that's why I don't scalp. What happened on 5 minutes? It's closed below. And the next 5-minute candle is the same as the red candle. Make it make sense. There you go. If you want to look for another shot, this is another shot. Retesting at this area. Over the candle. This is another one. Another quick scalp. We can see very strong line of resistance here for gold. On 5 minutes. If we do the same, we can do a short here. If we take the highs one more time. Let's see. But we have to make one more try to take our money back. Again, small risk. There's gonna be a DR session soon. Mm. We're following bullish structure here now. There's gonna be a lot of orders right here. So that's gonna be the next reaction from those highs. Let's see this fair value gap. This break of structure doesn't say anything useful anymore. So we take it out. We're out of the green area once again. So this was the manipulation, it seems. It took the Asian lows. Okay, we're taking out the orb. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, gold can't move from this range here. Since 8:15. 20 minutes. Nasdaq is making some moves. I can't really read them at the moment. Let's try to read the price action. Oops. Okay. If it respects the bullish flow and we have candle closing above this fair value gap, we might try something. Aiming for the last highs like this. Why you put scalping in my mind now? I look only for scalps now. Gold is sleeping at the moment. We didn't saw any good reaction from the previous week high. But that's gonna be because when we start ranging like this, it accumulate and it gather force for a large move. It could be up, could be down. There we go. Boiling bonds, they're getting tighter and tighter. BB. Okay, we start to respect the bears. 15 minutes to the DR window. Let's check how the DR it looks like without the view up. And of course 5 minutes. Yeah, we look pretty bullish as well. What a surprise. There we go, this is our structure. Let's see how the DR gonna respect this structure. It's gonna break above. And what's our targets if we break above? Apart from these highs, nothing interesting here on gold. View up is showing great force. But that's all about it really. See Nasdaq, no, it can't break it. Can break it. It's just bouncing between both. What do you think, chat? What do you think, guys? We had good volume in the beginning of the session. Not now. The volume really died here, guys. The volume just disappeared on both. Oh, look at this. Pretty bad. You don't want to be in trade in these conditions, don't you? It doesn't matter if you're scalping or swing trading or whatever you want to do. You don't want to be in a trade in this. Or this. It's just painful to watch, really. Nasdaq is doing something. Let's see what's gonna happen if close above liquid, collect this liquidity, um, and we might see something interesting there. I just want to see how it breaks some key area anywhere. We see a retrace in gold. This could be very, very small break of structure here. But I wouldn't take it. I'll take it with a lot of salt, really. Until we don't see proper breakout candle from the fair value gaps and maybe under those lows. Very small wick there. Nasdaq? No, nothing. This price action is killing me, really. 20 minutes now, Nasdaq is dead. Nothing interesting with gold. Nasdaq is making a move, I think. Yes or no? Oh, come on, gold. One black, one green. One black, one green. Okay, there's 5 minutes, and we enter into the DR session, where obviously for goat we'll be interested in buys, but it's gonna be with very tight stop loss because we have key liquidity area right here. If we see on 1 hour, we have this liquidity area right here from Friday 23rd. This is the most recent highs we're gonna grab. This is the only recent target, and the other one is from May 6th and May 8th, 7th, 8th. Right here, those highs. Realistically, I don't think we're gonna see a breakout with such a force, so we need to be very careful. If it breaks below, what can I say? We have to be really brave to short goat with today's trend, but who knows? We'll see how it goes. Nasdaq is just dead at the moment. Let's see the DR window for Nasdaq. 5 minutes. Yeah, it gives us mixed signals. Here we had the breakout structure. Here we had the breakout structure. It didn't respect either of them, so why should respect the next move we take with it? Let's see. Three more minutes. I'll take out the DR window for now, just to watch the price action. And definitely I'm gonna try another scalp. I'm just looking for it. I'm gonna take the DR window for now because we're in the middle either way. Yeah, my main idea was if we break above to go long. It's my main idea here. But this volume, look at this. I don't want to really trade in those conditions. Let me see the volume profile. We are right inside the volume profile. Even if we take it way back. Key area, yeah. So basically the range should break from either here or here. Everything else, it's in the middle. So we're gonna have move from here or here. This is empty space here. There's plenty of orders. You just collect them and it can decide. Yeah, it starts making. Oh, this is on 1 minute. Keep in mind, guys. This is on 1 minute. It starts making a structure. Even if we enter a trade, it will be so slow to get in or out of it. Okay, we tap for the second time this area. And we get a reaction. Can we see something like this? Can we see it? Two green candles from Nasdaq in a row. That's something new. We have option B. If it taps this area again. Not bad on the 5 minute. Okay, let's try this one. Fast scalp. Again, same conditions. I'm gonna show you my entry now. Let's see how this goes. We open new 5-minute candle. Okay, start with wick down. How we close this one? We close this one very good. We want to see a push and move our stop to break even. That's enough of a wick. Okay, we retest this. Now you can go higher. Yep, NASDAQ have a candle closure. That was our idea here. 0.53. I just want to mark it. Oh, come on. Give a reaction. Play with us. Yeah, I strongly believe in this inverted fair value gap, really. It was key area for quite some time. And now we are 7 minutes after the DR, so we need to see a breakout above. This is our main idea. Nasdaq is running good. It inverted this gap. And it started following the bullish trend. Okay. We're back in the business. Right, we're gonna move to break even. Risk free here. If it takes us out, it takes us out. Come on, let's see a push. This is the moment we need to see a push. Come on, we flip this 5-minute candle. Yes, that's it. 110, come on, 120. I'm gonna move it back down here because I like how this candle got flipped. Yeah, I think I have a lot of potential here with this one. Oh, sorry. Wanted to add 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes look great. We're gonna open 5 minutes pretty soon now. But this candle is beautiful. How we just flip here. Come on, we need better push. Don't do it. Oop. What a bad candle, guys. We had so much potential on this one. Nasdaq made 1R. Oop, it take us out. Yeah, it take us out. Is it? Yeah, I think it take us out. Ah, we had good potential. We had good potential. We flipped this back candle. We couldn't close good green. Well, we tried twice today. Twice is just enough. Let's see if we can see something on the DR. If we can't, right? Ugly price action on the last 40-50 minutes here. Yeah, Nasdaq give us mixed signals all the time. I think I'm gonna stay away till the New York session where we can try again, or some shorts, some scalps. Yeah, we tried to buy today twice gold on the most appropriate time, it seems. Oh no, the first one was on Nasdaq, the sell here, and it take us out with 1 week. Yeah, a bit of unlucky today. Wolf, I hope you catch something. I hope you took your profits on gold. Nasdaq, does it give you entry? 1, 2. It closed here, so if you... Oh, this is gold. No, Nasdaq doesn't give you entry. 1, 2, 3. No, there's no candle closure. And this one is too big. I guess you didn't enter in this one. Okay, guys. Nice having you again. Like, subscribe, all of that. And I might see you during the New York session. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, have a nice one, guys. Ciao.